Hi guys! Welcome to my channel. This is your Negosyanteng Singkit and thank you so much for watching this video. This is I Am Worldwide Product Knowledge. So I promise to you this is gonna be short lang, and before anything else, don't forget to click subscribe for more videos. Ayan, subscribe kayo sa channel ko guys para marami kayong makitang mga videos about our products and about our company. Okay, so to begin with, hindi ko napapatagalin because this is just a short presentation. So this is all about the products that we are offering. So we have ambassadors for our products. We have Mr. Piolo Pascual, Jessie Mendiola, Christine Hermosa, Heart Evangelista, si Yorme Esco Moreno, si Liza Soberano, Terence Romeo, si Maritone Fernandez, and the Mofats. Okay, so health is wealth. We have a tagline here in I Am Worldwide that health is wealth. So what does health is wealth mean? So sabi dito, the healthier you are, the wealthier you can be. So naniniwala ako dun guys, kapag binasa nyo yung nasa screen, lahat yan on point. And naniniwala ako na yun ang greatest treasure and greatest wealth na pwede nating pamuhay dito sa mundo. Kasi lahat ng yan, makakatulong yan to help other people. Kapag healthy ka, marami kang matutulungan. At the same time, kapag healthy ka, ma-enjoy mo yung buhay mo dito. Aanhin mo nga din naman yung kayamanan mo kung wala ka na, di ba? So dito, leading causes of death daw dito, number 1 is cancer. Okay, so ang laki ng percentage ng cancer. Second is heart diseases. And meron tayong other factors. So ito yung mga ibang factors na nakaka-contribute sa death ngayon. That's why we created or formulated a product na makakatulong sa mga tao na nangangailangan ng wellness. Okay, so that's why we have health and wellness products. So we have our famous barley. So we have 3 forms ng barley: powder, capsule, and choco. We have Garcinia Cambogia or slimming product. We have coffees. So meron tayong cafe latte and cafe mocha with barley to and alkaline. We also have coffee with Tongkat Ali and coffee with glutathione, and Scalar Energy Pendant. We also have our body cream and face cream and body soap. So kompleto po tayo. Okay? So guys, let's start with our famous product, the barley. So ano ba ang barley? Bibilisan ko lang, barley is stated for 37 times in the Bible. So ito yung mga verses na nandun siya. And then according kay Miss Maritone Fernandez, na-diagnose kasi siya with cancer noong 2001. And then tinake niya lang to alongside with chemotherapy. It strengthened her immune system, and then in the long run, natulungan yun para magape yung cancer cells sa body niya. Okay, so ito yung mga main na natutulungan niya. These are some of the benefits of barley. It helps in fighting acne, aging, anemia, meron ditong constipation, may diabetes, may kidney disorder. Marami guys, pwede nyo siyang basahin dyan. So ganyan kadami yung natutulungan niya. And then ito naman yung capsule form. Ito yung powder form, pero mas potent po yung powder natin. Okay, so ito naman yung other nutrients na makikita mo sa isang sachet niyan. So very nutritious siya, kaya napakaganda niyan. And according kay Dr. Yoshihide Hagiwara, barley is recognized by the scientists as the most nutritious plant of all foods. Okay, it has 68 micronutrients found, and it has 17 types of minerals, 16 types of vitamins, 17 types of enzymes, and 18 types of amino acids. So, very potent itong product na to. It destroys cancer cells, builds immunity against diseases, it smoothens and whitens the skin, lowers cholesterol, prevents colds and flu, slows the aging process, and lowers blood sugar. So, ang daming benefit ng barley natin. Okay, so ito pa. Ayan, ito yung kanina, total complete food daw siya. And then, ito yung capsule form natin. And then, ito yung mga testimonies. Meron tayo ditong 30 days lang, nag-colon cleansing siya. From day 1 to day 30, makikita nyo yung difference. So, you can search it online. Ang dami naming testimonies online. So, we are looking actually for distributors and then mga business partners din namin na gusto magnegosyo nito by being a direct seller. So, ito po si Mr. Piolo Pascual and Maritone Fernandez. Ayan sila. Ito naman mga testimonies namin. Stomach pain, may gastroenteritis, merong na-diagnose with multiple diseases, and then even pneumonia and HIV. Nakatulong din to. Okay, second product na tayo. Mabilis lang, no? Para mas maintindihan nyo. Okay, so kung may question kayo, pwede nyo namang i-PM yung mga nag-send sa inyo ng video. This is just para ma-enlighten kayo in a very short period of time. Okay? So, Garcinia Cambogia. Ang Garcinia Cambogia natin is number 1 slimming grape juice natin yan. So, this is a fat buster. Okay, so it stops fat from being stored, suppresses appetite, boosts serotonin level. Etong serotonin level, ito yung parang happy hormone. So kahit nagda-diet ka, hindi ka masyadong mainitin ng ulo because nakaka-boost siya ng serotonin level, manages stress, excellent metabolism booster, improves digestion, FDA approved, Australian certified organic, and of course super brand. So ganyan kaganda yung product natin. Ito yung testimony before and after niya gamitin. So ito siya sa left side, yung katabaan niya, and then after, ito siya. So, ito, ayan. Sinamahan niya yan. Ito yung before, ito yung after. Sinamahan niya yan ng konting gym. Ito naman, walang gym at all. Ininom niya lang. So, ito yung before and then ito yung after. Okay? So, ito yung other testimonies. Before and after niya, 1.5 month lang. And then, ito yung mga other testimonies. So, ang dami niyan. Kahit sa online check mo yan, ang dami po. Okay? So, ayan. And then, ito naman, next natin is acai berry with Bacopa monnieri and collagen. Ayan. So, ang kagandahan kasi, itong acai berry natin was endorsed by Miss Liza Soberano. So, siya yung ambassador natin dito and proud user din siya nito. So, what is acai berry with Bacopa monnieri? Ang tagline namin dyan is intelligently beautiful. So, this is super brands as well. So, napakaganda nitong product na to. So, it has acai berry. So, why you should introduce acai berries into your diet? It helps in making or maintaining our healthy heart, healthy skin, fights cancer, aids in weight loss, anti-aging, improves cellular healthy, improves mental health, helps digestion, energy booster, improves mental health, and increases libido. It also has collagen, which helps in the skin. Ito maintains a healthy gut barrier. Meron din dito improves the appearance of hair, skin, and nails, impacts joint health, supports weight management, maintains your healthy heart, bone support formation, and impacts detox and liver function. So, ganun yung product na to. Kaya, isa sa best product namin yan. And then, proven benefits of Bacopa monnieri. It is a powerful brain tonic. So, ang ganda niya sa brain. So, lalong tataas ang memory nyo niyan. Powerful antioxidant. Relief from stress problem. Benefited from liver issues. Relief from diabetic issues, helpful for scalp and skin, helpful for hair and insomnia. So, ganun siya kaganda. Meron tayong testimony nito. Nagkaroon siya ng DQT or Decurvians tenosinovitis. Ayan. So, ang hirap i-pronounce. Okay, so, to cut the long story short, sabi niya, I took it for several days until I replaced it with I Am Worldwide's acai berry with collagen. Ayan, sabi niya, after consuming 2 bags of it, I already noticed the pain on my wrist has lessened until it became bearable. So, I'm now on my 3rd bags and the pain is almost gone. So, natulungan siyang mapagaling because of the acai berry. So, ang ganda ng benefit. Ito naman, umorder din. Sabi niya dito, maganda siya. Na-notice ko yung skin ko nag-glow and yung hair ko naging smooth. So, ganyan kaganda yan. So, we also have organic coffee. So, number 1 endorser natin si Yorme. Okay, so, Honorable Isko Moreno Domagoso. Okay, so ganyan siya famous si Isko Moreno mismo, fan siya ng coffee natin. Ang kagandahan sa coffee natin, it has barley and alkaline. So, ang alkaline, alam naman natin na great equalizer. Kumbaga, ini-equalize niya yung acidity ng coffee. So, hindi ka magiging acidic because of this. So, organic coffee siya. Super brands din siya. Of course, ito yung ini-endorse na. And meron din tayong endorser na International Damo Fats. They are also using our coffee. So, ganun siya kaganda. Okay, we also have coffee with Tongkat Ali. So, ito naman helps in natural libido support. So, yun yung main niya. And it helps fight unwanted gain, promotes skeletal health, encourages normal blood sugar, remedy for age-related sexual disorder, promotes semen quality for men, and mood support, and it also boosts energy. So, ganun siya kaganda. Meron din tayong coffee that rejuvenates. Ito yung coffee with glutathione natin. Nakakatulong siya to cleanse or to help repair damaged cells caused by stress, radiation, pollution, infection, and other ailments. So, nakakatulong din siya to cleanse the liver. So, ang side effect niya is yung pagputi. Okay, so ito yung testimonial natin for the Tongkat Ali. Sabi dito, by the way, Tongkat Ali, ang effect sa woman, weight loss, and higher level of energy. Napansin ko din nung uminom ako, grabe, hindi ako napagod maghapon, kakalakad sa mainit na araw at kakalinis ng bahay. Yung benefit ng Tongkat Ali ha, grabe, isang kapehan lang mapapansin mo na agad. So, yun yung benefit sa kanya, the main benefits of Tongkat Ali. So, ganyan kaganda. Pwede nyo siyang i-research and basahin na lang dyan, okay? So another product natin, Scalar Energy Pendant. So meron din tayong pendant. Ano naman ang meron sa pendant na to? Before anything else, meron tayong 3 colors. Meron tayong gold, may silver, and then meron din tayo nitong black. Okay, so ito yung mga natutulungan ng energy pendant na to. Ang laman nito is volcanic rock. So nakukuha siya sa mga volcanoes. Okay, sa loob ng volcano. So pag tinapat mo siya sa body mo, it helps in stamina. So magiging strong ka, hindi ka magiging lanky or kumbaga lalampa-lampa. Swelling, headache, arthritis pain, marami po siya, yung mga sakit natin sa likod, ano din siya ng stress, nakaka-remove yung mga sakit ng ulo, mga radiation, yan yung number 1 kapag mag-gadget ka, mag-computer, mag-iinit yan pag mahilig kang gumamit ng ganun kasi inaalis niya yung radiation sa katawan mo. Okay, so napakarami po niyan. So lalo na yung mga kabataan ngayon nahilig sa gadgets. So yun. And then punta naman tayo sa Awesome Body face cream natin and body soap. Ayan. So ang ating Awesome, ito yung mga beauty products natin. Meron tayo ditong Awesome Body Cream for all skin type, vegan, cruelty-free, hypoallergenic, non-comedogenic, and Swiss technology. So, ito naman yung ating face cream. So, 30 SPF na rin yan. SPF 30, sorry. And then, all types of skin din siya. And lahat ng product natin are organic. Okay? So, ito naman yung body soap natin. So, pakita ko sa inyo yung mga testimony. Ang kagandahan kasi ng Awesome Body Cream natin, isang pahid lang, may result agad. Kita nyo yung difference ng color. Pinahiran lang yan. Para siyang magic. Ayan, ito din. So, dapat continuous lang yung use niyan kasi pag nabanlawan siya ng tubig, bumabalik sa dati. Pero kapag continuous siya na 12 weeks na ginagamit, magiging kung anong white na yun na yun. Okay, ito naman for the face cream, benefit. So, sinabayan niya ng barley kasi ang barley nililinis yung liver mo din. So, nagre-reflect sa skin. So, ito siya before, many acnes and then ngayon, makinis na. Because of barley and then yung face cream natin. So, ganun siya kaganda. And also, ito din yung testimony ng ating body cream. Ito, hawak niya yung body cream before and after. Ito yung left leg niya, ito yung right sa kabila. So, makikita niyo yung difference. Okay? So, ganun lang siya kabilis. Thank you so much for watching. At least alam niyo na yung benefit ng product natin. And if you have many questions, contact nyo lang yung nag-send sa inyo ng video na to kung paano namin kayo matutulungan. And also, we are discouraging you to buy from Shopee and Lazada yung mga murang presyo ng ganyan kasi po hindi po natin sure if legit sila or kung sa totoo talaga sila nang galing. So better contact us, kami mga legit na magpapakita ng IDs para makita nyo na kami from the office and on hand makikita mo na talagang binibenta ng maayos and wala pong panduruga. Okay, so thank you so much. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and the bell notification button for my updates and for my video soon. So thank you so much. This is your Negosyanteng Singkit. God bless you.